Good morning from Islay. We're Sharon and Phil, and we're on our 4th day of our campervan whisky tour here. We've already visited 4 of the 9 distilleries on the island, Ardnahoe, Bunnahabhain, Kilnaughton and Bruichladdich, whilst also enjoying the beautiful scenery on the island. Today we're visiting 2 more distilleries, Bowmore and Laphroaig, and we have a gorgeous sunny day to enjoy, and we're glad you can join us. Bye.
So we're leaving Port Mor campsite. That was a good little spot for the night. It was great to have a warm shower this morning and give my hair a wash. And we've got another gorgeous sunny day. The wind is gone, it's really calm today, so it's quite mild. And we are off to Bowmore now, which is about a 20-minute drive from here. So we're going to the Bowmore Distillery. We've got a tasting booked at 11 at the Bowmore Distillery. So let's get going and we'll see you there. We're just coming into Bowmore. I think it's the biggest town on the island, although Portalan is the main town. But it's got the biggest shop on the island. It's got a co-op with 8 aisles apparently, so that's quite impressive. And it's got a leisure centre as well with a swimming pool, so it seems quite a big town. So we're just gonna find the distillery.
Bowmore was established in 1779 and is the oldest licensed distillery on Islay. Of course, illicit whisky distilling has been going on the island for centuries. In their visitor centre, you can see a bottle of the very rare Bowmore 1957. There are only 12 bottles in existence. Distilled in 1957 and bottled in 2011, it's 54 years old, so it's the oldest Islay single malt whisky ever released.
This is our 10-year-old, so it's part of our global travel age. So we can try that.
So I'm just chilling on the balcony of the Bowmore tasting bar, and we taster. And we've got a lovely view out over the bay. You can see over there those big white warehouses across the bay. That's Bruichladdich, where we were yesterday. So we just basically drove right round the bay to come here. It's just such a gorgeous, peaceful, calm morning. It's really nice.
Lovely.
People playing with their dog on the beach. And it's nice. So I'm doing the whiskey and chocolate pairing. So this one, she said, is quite smoky. This is Vault Edition, and it goes well with white chocolate. This is lemon meringue. The middle one, she said, is quite a salty one. It's Tempest, and she said it goes well with salted milk chocolate. And then the third one is matured in a sherry cask, so it's quite sweet. That's a hand fill, 54%, 13-year-old, and she said that one goes quite well with the dark chocolate. So exciting. Phil's got a ginger ale and some nuts and a little bottle to take away.
We're leaving Bowmore now and heading south. The road from Bowmore to Port Ellen passes Islay's small airport. It's long and straight but very bumpy. We found out later that that's because it runs through a peat bog. It's actually where Laphroaig Distillery cuts its peat from. It means the ground is very soft. Our tour guide at Laphroaig told us that when big trucks or tankers drive on it, sometimes you can actually see the road bounce up and down.
So we've arrived at Kilnaughton Bay. Callum and Roxana said this was the best spot on the island to camp, and it is amazing here. We are looking right onto the beach. We can see over to Port Ellen, and the sea is so calm. Water looks really nice. I'll just do a pan round and show you. Wow, amazing, no?
Yep.
It's possibly the best spot yet, and we've already had some amazing spots, but this is amazing. Phil,
Yeah,
what's over there?
that's Northern Ireland, so it is.
What is it?
Northern Ireland.
Really? Wow. Northern Ireland, so it is.
Off to Laphroaig Distillery. Laphroaig was established in 1815 by two farmers. It's named for its location, which means broad hollow by the bay.
That's this. Coming up. About short of an hour's walk. About 57 minutes, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, maybe so.
it was a nice walk though. Nice sunny day. Good bit of exercise. We're just on time. Just.
Nice.
Palm trees. Like tropical.
Been here maybe 4 or 5 days now. So that's what we're doing. We're basically convincing.
Smells smoky in here. Laphroaig, we're about to do our tasting. They gave us a lanyard with a tasting glass, and you get 3 tokens, and you can use your 3 tokens as currency to get your drams, which are over there. So the first 3 you can use 1 token, and then the next 3 you get to use 2 tokens, and the last one you get to use 3 tokens. So it's the special one.
Which I think I'm going to try.
It took us just under an hour to walk from Kilnaughton Bay, and we're walking back through Port Ellen. So there's a little sea salt bistro there. So we're going to see if they have any tables and if we can stop there, because that's like halfway. It's about half an hour
walk from Laphroaig. We might stop there and have something to eat, but if they don't have any space, we might see if we can book for tomorrow night, and then we'll just head back to the camper. Yeah, amazing views on our walk and amazing weather. We're looking over to Northern Ireland. Rugged coastline. It's been nice.
The Sea Salt Bistro is very popular, but they managed to spare a table for us for a couple of hours. We'd definitely recommend a visit here if you're looking for great seafood in Port Ellen. Phil had gluten-free fish and chips, and the portion was massive. I tried their locally caught scallops, and they were amazing. I also had their raspberry cranachan for dessert. Yum. One last distillery to see for the day, Port Ellen, but we can't go inside. It's owned by Diageo, but they shut it down in 1983. They're currently in the process of reopening it, and it should be reopening in 2023.
Little by little you wear me down.
Good night from us on Islay, where we've enjoyed another beautiful day. Please join us tomorrow for our final day on Islay, with some wild swimming and visiting another 2 distilleries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks!